Hello students, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the how to apply the Gauss law for the differential volume element. Now we will discuss about the divergence. So we shall know that we shall now obtain an exact relationship by allowing the volume element delta V tends to or shrinks to 0. That is already know that. So from the previous differential volume element we know that charge enclosed is equal to dou of dx by dou x plus dou of dy by dou y plus dou of dz by dz dou z into delta v, that is q. So here what we do is we take q as integration over closed surface ds dot ds. So here now as this equation is nothing but left side will be this one and equal to q by delta v. So limit del v tends to 0 means we have to consider del v should tends to 0. So therefore this last term, okay, so last term is the volume charge density rho v, so that we get this is nothing but volume charge density rho v. So therefore we get dou of dx by dou x plus dy by dou y plus dz by dou z is equal to limit of del v tends to 0 integration over closed surface t dot ds by del v is nothing but equal to rho v. Now let us consider one more information that can be obtained from the last equation is, so this is the equation we have got. Now this equation is valid not only for electric flux density d but also any vector a to find the surface integral for a small closed surface. So like this you will get in equation. So instead of d you can use any vector, okay. So hence this operation received as a descriptive name divergence. So divergence of A is defined as, that is divergence of A is equal to diva, that is equal to limit of del v tends to 0 integration over closed surface a dot ds divided by del v. The divergence of the vector field flux density A is the outflow of the flux from small closed surface per unit volume as the volume shrinks to 0. So divergence is nothing but the vector flux density A, which is the outflow of the flux from the small closed surface per unit volume as volume shrinks to 0. The positive divergence of a vector quantity indicates that a source of that quantity at that point. Similarly, negative divergence indicates a sink. So this is a statement of a divergence of vector flux density, and this is the equation. So we can use the divergence in all the fields coordinate systems. First one is this rectangular div of d is equal to dou of dx by dou x plus dou of dy by dou y plus dou of dz by dou z. This is for rectangular. And now for cylindrical it is 1 by rho dou divided by dou rho into bracket rho d rho plus 1 by rho dou of d phi divided by dou phi plus dou of dz divided by dou z. This is for cylindrical. Now for spherical 1 by r square dou by dou r into bracket r square dr plus 1 by r sin theta dou by dou theta into bracket sin theta d theta plus 1 by r sin theta dou of d phi by dou phi. So these are the three values or equations of divergence in all the coordinate systems. Now let us see one of the example. If d is equal to e raised to minus x sin y ax minus e raised to x cos y ay plus 2z az, find divergence of d at origin and point 1, 2, 3. Now divergence of d is equal to, as it is Cartesian, so dou of dx by dou x plus dou of dy by dou y plus dou of dz by dou z. So here this is equal to, you will get this one first point, this one, that is minus e raised to minus x sin y plus e raised to minus x sin y plus 2. So hence the value of this will be 2, because you didn't have any value that is equal to 2. Regardless of location, the divergence of d is equal to 2 coulombs per meter cube. So this is one of the problem on divergence at origin. Now we may write the expression developed up till now as divergence of d is equal to limit of del v tends to 0 integration over closed surface d dot ds by del v, that is divergence of d is equal to, we know that equation, this is nothing but rho v, so we have defined it. So this is nothing but Maxwell's first equation, point form of Gauss law, is also called as point form of Gauss law. This one, divergence of d is equal to rho v. This first of Maxwell 4 equation applies to electrostatics and steady magnetic field. Now physically it states that electric flux density per unit volume leaving a vanishingly small volume unit is exactly equal to volume charge density there. This is the first Maxwell equation. So hence we have discussed about the divergence, what is the equation for divergence, statement for the divergence, physical meaning of the divergence, along with the divergence in all the coordinates, equation of the divergence in all the coordinates, and example on the divergence, and finally the Maxwell's first equation.